Recently released Sony Live web series JL50 is in the news. But whether this story is based on a real story or not, we don't know, because the story is all about time travel. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain you the brief story of recent release JL50. So let's get started. A plane taking off from Calcutta in 1984 is lost without any trace. However, 35 years on, in 2019, there is a news of the same aircraft crashing near the North Bengal mountain. Doesn't make sense, right? But it is what happened in JL50. The crash has only two surviving members, one the pilot and a man who had no specific to be inside the cockpit at that time. The investigation led by CBI officer brings him in contact with quantum physics professor who may have the key to unfolding the mystery. While fictionalizing the series does loop in scientific logic to give context to the event it claims taken place. A similar incident was reported back when a flight that took off in 1954 but landed in 1989. Taking off from Germany, the Santiago 513 flight was landed in Brazil but it went missing, never to be found. 34 years later, a plane was found hovering near Porto Alegre Airport, the original point of landing. It is said that the plane belonged to Santiago Airlines, which has closed down in 1956 and even had the same number of skeletons on board as the original passengers. JL50 is a story that revolves around a plane that took off 35 years ago but crashes a week back. This leads to an investigation into how a flight that went missing 35 years ago could appear out of nowhere. Aved Deol portraying as a role of a CBI officer named Shantanu who gets into the bottom of the mystery to decode this confounding investigation. With the enticing storyline, amazing cinematography, and power-packed performance, this edge of your seat thriller will keep you hooked throughout. The show has got all the twists and turns that you may expect from a thriller series. JL50 web series boasts of a stellar cast which includes Piyush Mishra, Aved Deol, Pankaj Kapoor, Ritika Anand, and Rajesh Sharma. If you like watching thriller shows with tons of mystery, watch JL50 online only on Sony Live app. So coming to the point, is this series real? So this has not officially been proven, the speculation remains as what to real or what's not. But JL50 sure seems to be inspired by this incident. If you like this video, please share with your friends and do subscribe our channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Until next time, peace out.